Hey guys, it's Alli. Today's video is very different. I did mention that I wanted to start showing some of my painting on my channel, and so today I figured why not do that. So I bought this deluxe paint pouring kit by Loft. It has some of the ready mixed paints in it. If you're familiar with acrylic pouring, then you might be familiar with this product. But I use the white. I don't have the bottles in front of me, so I'm not really sure what the names are. The white, this turquoisey blue color, more like a cobalt blue color, and then black. And you'll see me just layer these in a cup, and this is what is going to create a ring pour if you're not familiar with ring pours or acrylic pouring. So I'm a brand new girl when it comes to videos and pouring. I've never done a video with my pours before, so this was a very good learning experience. I do think that my quality will get better in the next video because this was quite the learning experience, like having the canvas tilted on the screen and paint all over from a previous pour, and yeah, it was just a hot mess. But I figured if I don't try and get the video out now, I probably never will. So this is my first attempt. But yeah, I'm just layering the paint. I just did 2 layers of each color. White, that turquoisey blue, cobalt blue, and then black. And then you're gonna see me pour the paint onto the canvas in like a circular motion, and this is what is creating the rings. If you pour slowly, you can get really nice, beautiful, controlled rings. And this paint is a little bit thicker than what you typically would mix up yourself. And I find that the thickness of it, and I don't know what else, but definitely the thickness of it helps to keep the ring shape, where the colors just don't blend into each other. They really hold their own. Got one little drip in there, but that's okay. As you can see, I decided to wreck the ring pour. This is a technique that I saw on Molly's Artistry. She's a fluid artist, and I love watching her videos. Her, Rinska Downa, and Mixed Media Girl are my 3 probably. I don't know if you're supposed to have favorites, but they're probably my 3 favorites. I just love the art that they show, and I love this technique with these paints. This is my 3rd, and I helped my sister do a couple using this technique, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Love it. So here I'm just going to stretch the painting out, or the paint out on the canvas, and I'm just going in a circular motion so that I don't run paint off the canvas prematurely. And I love that little heart pattern in the middle of it, and I definitely wanted to preserve that, so I wanted to be super careful not to run that off by accident. You can see me pivoting there to kind of avoid that. And yeah, I'm just going to stretch this all the way out to the ends, and then I'm going to just kind of fix the edges, make sure that they have paint on them. And that was the painting. It was a lot of fun, super easy and fun, and I just love these paints. I wish that Michaels and Artist Loft would hurry up and bring them back in the big sizes because I love these paints. I would definitely continue to buy them. I think I would like them a lot for 3D pours on like a vase or glass or something like that. And maybe I'll try that in the few upcoming weeks. With these paints. I did buy 2 of the kits, so I have a lot of paint. The bottles are kind of small, and you do use a lot of paint, but I love them. Again, I'm a newbie, so I'm sorry for this not being on camera for you. But like I said, hopefully in the next video I will have a better setup, and just, I will have learned a little bit more from that. So yeah, I'll kind of fast forward, since I was stretching and you couldn't really see what I was doing, to the end. Overall, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. I'll show you the dried result in just a second. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly show you guys the finished product. This is it, all dry. It came out beautifully. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love those paints. They work perfectly, and I'm so excited about this. Oh, I love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.